fine. Everybody's fine. Yes, mine's here. Master Chama is on the line.
Okay. Hello, Nemo. Adam. Oh, you young one. No, we are fine. How are you? It's okay. Ozioma is fine. There's no problem. It's just Ebuka that is still giving me problems in this house. Now, what me see? It's okay. No problem. Ngwanu, oh. My regards to everyone. Okay. Bye.
Sister Choma, what about the one I told you about? That one now that is long, that those girls used to do like mommy water, that kind of hair. Okay, sister.
Yeah.
Life is good.
Oh yeah. You can say that again.
Life is good. Cheers. Cheers.
That's how we roll.
Cheers.
Money is good.
Life is good. Life is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let go there. What do you check out?
Yeah, it's good to make money and enjoy yourself. See, our next move, we'll go to the neighboring village. We'll get information from there. We'll strike.
Now you won't tell me where we're supposed to go. Now you will tell me where to go.
Okay. Sure, sir. Sorry, sir. The boss.
Drink and enjoy.
Yes, sir.
Here, this is a good moment.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. And a happy moment.
Yeah.
We'll continue to. Baby.
She's some.
What is going on? Did somebody win a lottery or did somebody win a bet?
No. Nothing like that at all. If you want to drink, you can go ahead and take one. It's a true deal. His goods came in from Ghana
and Takwabi,
and the whole thing had been sold out. That's right. Yeah? Just in a split of hours. So he decided to call his guys to enjoy with him. You get that good? You can actually take one, but
No. You see Momo for my forehead. He just bought a goods that came in hours ago. Now it's sold out. And you people don't have money to buy this crate of beer. How manage?
Are you saying I'm lying or what?
It's not like I'm saying that you're lying, but come on. It's unbelievable now. I didn't even hear of the goods coming in. Not to selling out already. Not to talk of selling out already.
What are you saying? You're sounding like someone that is living in olden days. Nowadays, goods are sold online. You can sell anything sharp. I sold all my goods online and
you sold out everything.
Made so much money.
Alright. The only reason I'm asking is because just earlier this afternoon at Okoro shop, I heard Chris, Owodei, and Tega talking about 3 of you, affiliating you to all the robberies that has been happening in this village.
Huh?
Yeah.
Us?
Sir, that they even chased the 3 of you at the market some days ago. You know the one that even got me was when they said you people are connected to Mama's robbery.
Can you imagine?
No, please, don't say
Just imagine. Enemy of progress.
What kind of rubbish is this now? Who is Chris, Tega, and what?
Oh, they work at the motor park. 3 of them. You know, when they were saying it, I was just behaving as if I didn't know what they were talking about. As if I don't even know you people. But I said, let me come here and tell you people. But seeing these drinks you people are drinking now.
No, wait. You see they were talking about us.
Yes.
And you saw them last at the concourse shop.
That was where I heard them saying this thing, and I'm sure they are still there till now.
Don't mind them. You know, when you're progressing, people must talk about you.
Yes.
Don't sleep with your name.
Enemy of progress.
We don't work at the motor park. We don't sell tickets. So why are they gossiping with our name?
I was shocked when they say, but I know it's just jealousy.
What kind of rubbish is this now? Can't people just go out and make money and eat their money?
Legit business that we did.
I don't know.
Anyway, babe, see. Thank you for the information. Eh?
Thank you very much.
God that will judge them.
Yes, amen.
Amen.
God will judge them.
Amen.
Anyway, I said let me come and give you people the information.
Thank
Let
you
me
very
go back
much.
to my house before my mother starts looking for
You try.
Thank you.
Baby. You could not even send somebody to come and take away.
If we do not deal with these guys, they will not stop. They will continue. Opanka, I told you. Opanka, let's deal with these boys.
It's not the time. This is
Let's deal with those.
Ebuka, this is not the time to quarrel. See, look, first and foremost, we have to go and keep our money safe somewhere. Then we'll go to one red candle, fortify ourselves, and go and deal with those boys immediately. Before this matter casts.
I swear. Very important. The battle has just begun.
So these boys have been putting their eyes in our business.
You all have been certified. Do not be afraid. But always go on your own. Don't look for trouble. If anybody dares you, the person will have to pay for it. Make sure you are with an alligator pepper at each dangerous time.
Is that the kind of life you chose to live? Is that the kind of future you dream of? Have you thought what the end could be? Waiting you don't know, big pass you. Be one, be one, be one, be one. So you don't regret at last. Better be wise, oh. Be one. Think twice.
Come here. Come here then with the top. You're mad.
Something you want for it?
Come on, go this way. Position.
That pepper soup I ate yesterday was so delicious. I enjoyed it, and I plan on going there tomorrow. See your mouth.
Hey. Oh, I want you guys to stop gossiping their names. And you have the guts to do that at that bar. Eh? You're gossiping with their names. You're mad?
Come on, shut up. What the fuck are you? I'm gonna do that. You touch me. Listen. Come on.
I want to kill you. You know who I be? I'm a preacher.
Opanka, it seems like the bullet hit somebody. Eh?
It seems you're asking if the bullet hit someone. The bullet hits one small girl.
Are you serious?
Didn't you see it? Eh? You're still asking, it seems like.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Have you seen what those bastards have caused? But I hope nobody saw us.
I don't think so. I don't think anyone saw us. We took off as soon as it happened. And I saw Tega and Co. They took off too. Oh, that little one that the bullet hit. He or she was just so unlucky.
Hey!
I hope she survives this.
Hey. That girl is so unlucky.
She survives it.
Hi, I pity that. I pity that girl.
Pity that girl.
What's happening? Let's go inside.
Hey,
Why are you girls crying? Don't tell me the little girl did not survive.
We took her to the hospital and the doctor confirmed her dead.
Oh my God.
An innocent girl. Maybe she was sent to buy those ugu leaves she was holding. Huh. I can't believe that girl is gone.
Who are those boys? Who are those boys that had the mind to bring out a gun and shoot an innocent child? Who? They think they can run. But they cannot run faster than God. They can't. God.
Are they not some stupid boys that have been terrorizing this community? Some stupid, lazy idiots. Just look at a young soul. What was her crime? God, why did the bullet not hit her on her hand or legs? Why her head? Jehovah.
What do I say? Did you just try reporting to the police?
What would they do? What would they do? They will only say they are investigating the matter and then it ends there. It's going to end there.
Hey! Gift, are you the one talking about reporting to the police? Was an old man's house not burgled and robbed of her dollars? Up till date, no single soul have been arrested for that crime. All the police kept saying was, we are still on it. This village is under serious robbery attacks. Snatching of phones and ladies' handbags on daily basis, and yet the police and security agencies are doing nothing about it.
Echo, wait. Are you saying the police will not arrest those people that are responsible for the killing of that innocent girl? Is that what you're saying? My God.
That girl is gone. She's gone. Just like that. They will not go scot-free. They won't. I don't even know if they informed the girl's parents. God is in heaven, He's watching all these things. They won't go scot-free. They won't. They won't. They won't.
We shouldn't have accosted these boys. If we had known it to be like this. Now look at it. We've shot someone.
We didn't shoot anyone. It was all your fault. So blame yourself.
Yes. It's all your fault. You were the one with the gun, and you were the one that pulled the trigger. Count me out. What are you guys talking about?
It's not an issue yet. Thank God we escaped. But have it in mind that any mistake that came from this gun was your fault.
Yes.
So do not include anyone.
Yes.
Hello, sis. Okay, I'm coming back now. Yeah. My sister just called now that I'm needed urgently at home. So let me go and see her. See you guys later, okay? Mama, talk to me now. What happened? What do you mean? What happened? I don't understand. What happened now? What happened to Joma?
I sent her to buy me Ogu. Ogu.
Why is your Joma?
I was still waiting for her to come back. Mama, get you into this compound and said that some boys we are fighting with a gun. And the bullets.
Bullet did what?
I'll kill you. You know who I be?
Hey! Who did this? Who did this? Run, let her here. Okay. Carry her, be going.
Which hospital, please? Which hospital?
It's not me long. We just left straight on the hospital.
So much. The only thing she did is loving you. Now you are crying.
Nurse, good day. Please, is this where they brought one girl that was hit by a bullet?
I don't understand. Brought or deposited?
This is St. Andrew's Hospital, right?
Yes.
Some people brought one small girl that was hit by a bullet this morning.
It's her name, Ozioma.
Oh, yes, thank you.
That's what I'm saying. A girl was brought in this morning. Doctor confirmed her death on arrival. A stray bullet hit her skull. She bleeds to death. As I speak to you, her body lies in the mortuary.
Lies where?
mortuary.
No, don't tell me you're joking now. No. Don't tell me you're joking, please. Your one name cannot be in the mortuary, please. Talk to me. Tell me you're joking now.
He came here asking of the girl that was brought in this morning. Okay. I told him her body has been deposited in the mortuary. He started crying.
Hey, maybe she's a brother. Nando, Zazap, we have to take her. Don't worry, I promise we'll take care of her body very well in the morgue, okay? Sorry. Yeah! Mind you, this is hospital. There are other patients.
No.
One day more, one day more, one day more. I real girl who love you so much. Ebuka, Ebuka no one negio, one mere. The only thing she did is loving you. Now you are crying.
Guy, we have to leave this town immediately, guy. Owode already left to the city. Guy, why? Didn't you see what just happened now? Didn't you see what just happened? Guy, if not for our braveness, all those guys for shoot us, guy, and the killing of that young girl. Guy, we need to leave this city, guy.
My guy, I see what happened. I say, I need to shoot gun now. What did they talk? But bro, if we leave the city, what's going to happen to our work for the back? That is what I'm saying now.
That one you did talk. Guy, more first come on for year now. Guy, more first come on for year. That one not the run. When everything don't calm down, we'll go come back. We go come back now, I walk.
Wait, if we leave this town now, where we go? I don't know anywhere. Where we go?
I don't know. We'll just come up for this town first, guy. We'll just come up for this town, guy. I don't tire. You know hear the shots. People know say now we now. They go think now we, guy. We need to come up for this town. Guy, we need to come out to guy.
Hey, guy, you don't red, guy. You don't red. Hey.
Guy, now danger out there like this, guy.
Hey.
You see the person. See her now. Now you make me.
One day more, one day more, one day more. I real. Girl who love you so much. Ebuka, Ebuka no one negio, one mere. The only thing she did is loving you. Now you are crying. One day more, one day more, one day more.
Nurse, good afternoon. Please, who is that young man?
I don't know. He didn't explain who he was. He came here asking of the little girl. I told him her body is in the mortuary. He started crying.
Is he one of her relations?
Definitely, he may be. He said a lot of things while crying. Maybe he's a relation.
Okay. So, what about her family?
They came here with some policemen for a cause. They left.
Nurse, so you mean that girl's corpse is in the mortuary right now?
That's life for you.
Hey! Here you go. fair? Is it fair? What crime has that little girl committed? What crime? What was that crime? Tell me.
You need to take it easy.
Wanda, is her mate not in her parents' house? Are they not in school? Are they not buying ice cream somewhere? What did she do? Get on there. I can't get this off my memory. I wish I was not there when it happened. I wish I was not there.
Maka, please put yourself together. Hold yourself. This is a hospital. Listen, let me tell you. What has happened has happened. The girl is dead. And there is no amount of tears that will bring her back to life.
Bring her back. He's going to bring her back. Let me see her. Maybe he's going to bring her back. Let me see her.
Let's go.
Let me see her. No, stop, go there. Let me just see her. Maybe this is not fair. This is not fair.
Please hold yourself. Hold yourself. Look. That guy we saw some minutes ago looks like one of those guys.
Are you serious?
I'm serious but not too sure. That is why I said he looks like one of them. Although I did not see his face clearly, but I'm sure I saw the other two. I'm sure I saw their faces.
Wait. If you see the other two now, will you remember?
You know they ran towards our direction. And with that, I saw their faces. The faces keeps flashing on and off.
Ego, you cannot be so sure. They ran so fast. Ego, before you say anything in this village, you have to be very careful. Before those boys, they will come for you. You will go and put yourself in trouble in this village.
Did I mention anyone's name?
You did not. It's already Koko Asiri. Koko and get where the seat. In our carry.
Yeah, one kego. Na bum, awan naji di ama no toro egonogo. Aloka na mona chuku. Gina mada ye ku rezwo ku oboni na ga fam. Na chi ali alo so gi we ba alambo. What kind of nonsense is this? You cannot have a peaceful conversation with your friend. Eh? Next time, if I see anything, I won't dare you.
Guinea.
Why are you dropping tears like that? What is it?
Did anything happen in your house?
Why are you dropping tears like a woman? Oh, okay, because of the girl you shot?
Don't say that again! No, don't say that again!
What is it?
You guys caused it! We shouldn't have left without God! Now I've killed my sister! That little girl is my niece! She's lying in the mortuary now as I'm talking to you. I told her that I will buy Miss Pie for her. And she has been home waiting for me. Just to buy Okoli for my mother. Osama was so lucky at the bullet hit. My sister and her husband have been giving me money for me to be useful in life. But I said no.
Ebuka, you've cried enough. Please come in, let's go and sleep.
How do I sleep when Ozioma is lying dead in the mortuary? How do I sleep when some people killed Ozioma for me?
She's dead and won't come back to life. It's so painful. But what can we do? Only God in heaven knows best. Whosoever that is involved in Ozioma's death will not know peace, and young spirits will continue to torment them to eternity. Come, let's go inside. I noticed you were not in your room. That was why I came out to look for you. Nabiko, stand up, let's go and sleep. Oh?
Gigi, don't worry, I'm coming. Just go.
I don't want Mama to come out here and see you crying. Then she'll start crying again because they know. Ebuka, come, let's go inside, please. It's okay. You're crying now. It's okay.
Yeah, what do you? The matter don't cast the whole town. The serious matter.
Hey! No. Banka, what is this I'm hearing? That the little girl that died yesterday is Ebuka's sister. Yeah! Are you serious? No, wow.
She's Ebuka's niece. The whole thing is just confusing. Did she die in the house or on the road? Or how did it happen?
You people haven't heard the gist.
No.
That two boys were fighting yesterday. And one of them, in a bid to shoot the other one, brought out his gun. And the bullet mistakenly touched a little girl that was just going on her own. Her mother sent her to go and buy vegetable. This bullet just came from nowhere and hit this little girl. The village was so quiet yesterday.
Hey, where did it happen?
At Mukegu now. That road that leads to the Eke market.
It was Ebuka that was telling us the story yesterday. Since then, we've not eaten.
Not eating. We can't eat. No
You
appetite.
guys have not eaten. Why now?
No, we don't expect us to have appetite in such situation. Not good.
The dead is gone already. That wouldn't stop you people from eating. Or you want to die alongside. You people have to be alive to mourn the dead. Eh? Let me see if there's anything I can prepare for you too. No, Kambiakwa. Oh, by the way, where is Ebuka?
He's crying. He's crying. I'll just pity you.
I'm coming, no? Chimo, who is Wego? Opanka. How did you get this money? Foreign currencies. I found this money inside your pillow on your bed. How did you get it?
And what were you doing inside my pillow in my bed? Eh? You know, in a pillow mad. You okay?
Okay?
Yes.
That I finished cooking and I decided to help you arrange your room. No, I've done something bad now.
I didn't say so. I didn't say so at all.
The only person I know that possesses foreign currency in this village is Mama. The same Mama that some boys went to her house to go and rob and collected her money. And now I'm seeing foreign currency in your own house. Huh. Opanka, there's something in my mind though, and if you leave me, I will say it though.
Yeah, feel free to say what is in your mind though.
I should say it.
Me, I'm very clean though. Feel free,
Do you have any nurse in America that sends you dollars? How did you get this money?
So is it only American nurses that sends dollars? Eh? Dollar is everywhere in the world. Dollar rules the world. Eh? People do business with dollar and all that. Eh? I told you that he's a Chude, my friend. He's an international businessman. All the businesses he does is with dollar. Eh?
I know why I'm asking, no.
Yeah, I'm
Pankabiko, I don't want trouble. I don't want wahala. The only reason I come here is because I love you. But if you say this money belongs to Chude, so why do you? Let me go and keep it.
$1 there too.
Let me go and the money is fine. Money fine. Look, see the man in the picture.
Baby, see. You know I cannot lie to you. Eh? I love you so much. This dollar is not mine, it's Chide's own.
It's okay.
At least you're touching dollar now.
You
see money.
No, but you're not supposed to keep this. You heard they've been talking about people robbing in this village. How they made this kind of money?
They have myopic mind. The dollar is everywhere. You can dollar. Let's say dollar.
See the man in front of
you.
Not like all those, you see they put different ugly women in our money. Look at me walking. See man in the money. Hey!
Are you done dressing my room?
No, let me go and continue now. So I should keep the money back there now.
Okay, it's 2 days old. You already use dollar too.
Is that the kind of life you chose to live? Is that the kind of future you dream of? Have you thought what the end could be? Waiting, you don't know, big pass you.
Jude.
Be one.
Nah, what? Castle don't boss. Castle how?
Yes. My girl don't see the dollar. And she's beginning to suspect us.
Dollar?
Yes.
Where did you keep the dollar?
I kept some in my house. I didn't change all of them.
Are you a fool? Are you insane or something? Look, if you put us in trouble, if you put yourself in trouble, like you had to go take carry out, don't involve me. Oh. Don't involve me. Don't you know this dollar is exhibit? What if the police start investigating and they find dollar in your house? Hey, what is wrong with you?
I didn't know now.
Okay. Relax. What did you tell her?
I told her that the dollar belongs to you.
Are you mad? The dollar belongs to me how? Where do I get dollar from? Am I a Yahoo boy?
I told her that you are an international businessman, and she agreed with me.
Me, international businessman?
Yeah.
Which business? Why do I package that now? I don't have a car, I don't have anything.
You know how to do it now. Come on. What do you want me to do?
Hey, look. Let me think. See. You have to be smart. Look at me now. I kept my own dollar far away. I hid it. Nobody will know.
I didn't know that she's going to
Better go and clean that mess up. Oh. Better go and clean that mess up. Look for something to tell her. Hey, how do I defend that man, international businessman? Am I an international businessman?
Please. This idea of not calling Choma to tell her what happened is not the best. This thing has happened. Come rain or sun, she must be away.
How do I call my daughter to tell her that the little girl I asked her to pray for me Osioma Wamu, where are you? Osioma Kedugi, Baba Dukuna. Osioma Baba Dukuna. Osioma Biano.
Stop this. No amount of sorrow or worries will bring Osioma again.
How do I call my daughter to tell her that little girl Osim is not in the mortuary? Hey! Fukwana Nudubo!
Please stop this. No amount of sorrow or worries will raise her again. Eh? No need of keeping it from Choma. Choma must be aware. Her husband also should be aware. Eh? There is no need of keeping it from husband and wife. Ebuka, we go for one leg.
Can I ever be fine? Oh, see, Mama Duke is calling you. Oh, see, come and call you. Hey! Oh, Mama! Mercy, you know how much I love you, God. Mercy,
But I only tell her that Mama wants to see her. I know my sister. I know Choma one name. She will ask and ask until her phone battery dies. If she asks, please tell her to come home and make sure I'm away immediately she arrives. Okay, I will.
away. Adabajo. Abukido yekekpe. Awue Adabajo. Abukido yekekpe. Awuburo sama chechepa. Abukido yekekpe yae. Awue Adabajo. Abukido yekekpe. Adabajo. Abukido yekekpe. Awuburo sama chechepa. Okido yekekpe o. Awue Adabajo abukido yekekpe o. Awue Adabajo abukido yekekpe.
Get what I want to tell you.
What's in that?
That soup we cook for me, you don't finish this morning. No. I would like make you come for me again.
Biauna, they do saraka for in the house. How manage? What happened?
Not you there. That boy eats like a glutton. Eh? But I don't blame him, Sha.
Cheregodo, the truth is not the one you said is an international businessman.
Yes, he is. He is.
He is supposed to be eating like an international businessman. Because nobody should come and stress me. I'm not a housewife.
Baby, it's
Then you
okay.
finish the food, I'll come back and come and cook again.
Stop getting angry, oh? He's my friend. He's just as he likes food.
And then let him bring money for the food. It's as simple as that. Eh?
It's okay. Let me rush to the house and get you some money so you can go to the market and buy some foodstuffs.
I can't go now. Oh, my mother sent me on an errand to her sister's place. When I come back, I'll come and see you.
Okay. Well, let me rush home. Oh?
Ozubo, you want to finish it? You want to finish the hug?
Okay.
Bye-bye. Be careful, oh. I'll
you
come
too.
to the house when I come back.
Is that the kind of life you chose to live? Is that the kind of future you dream of? Have you thought what the end could be?
Why would she be talking like that? Why? Is food not meant to be eaten?
You do like food. Even after eating, you still want to eat another one. You too like food.
There go, Pastor.
Where all the food they enter say for your baby?
Can preach. You know they eat. I eat past you. I eat past you.
See, the thing is that once she come, try and give her the money for the food stores. See, you have to change your body system. You have to start behaving like a serious business tycoon.
Business tycoon.
Be one, be one, be one, be one. So you don't regret at last. Better be wise, oh. Be one. Think twice. Be one. So you don't regret at last. Never molest the innocent. It's fearful.
Now, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Sorry, please, are you from this village?
Ajujowa. So that's the reason you stopped me? Just to ask me if I'm from this village?
Oh, please calm down. We are not quarreling, are we?
I don't understand. Is that how you see everybody on the road and start asking them if they're from this place?
I'm sorry about that. Just that I like making friends. And on my way back from the stream, I saw you with one young man. Seeing you again gladdens my heart. And I said to myself, let me get to know this pretty damsel. Did I do anything wrong?
No, my sister, you haven't done anything wrong. But I've not seen you in this village before. I don't know you.
Pardon my manners. My name is Ego Amaka. I am from Isieke community, but my sister is married to this place.
Your sister? And I've never seen you. Cheregodo, what's your sister's name?
Never mind, you won't know her because she did not grow up here.
It's a guinea that I will not know her. Is there anybody that I don't know in this village or who doesn't know me in this village? Eba Wogbe, this is my area. I run this village. This village runs me. Who is your sister? Call her name.
If you insist. Her name is Mirabel.
Mirabel. I've not heard that name before.
I told you. I said it that you will not know her. She did not grow up here. We all grew up in the north. So, I believe we are now friends. You're too fine.
I know I'm fine.
Fine,
even me, sometimes I see myself in the mirror, I'll be shocked.
You're pretty.
Thank
Please,
you.
I want to ask you something. That young man I saw you with, do you know him too well?
Abmaka. So that's the reason you stopped me? To ask about the man I was standing with? That's why you stopped me? Do you like him?
Far from that. I just want to know him.
Near from that, he is my boyfriend. Nonsense and ingredients without condiments. So because of a packer, you stopped me? Nala.
For real, girls, you needed to see how this girl looked at me. She watched me from head to toe. At some point, I started wondering if I was putting on the back of my clothes or if I had shit on my body. Not just that. She hissed a very long one and then walked out on me.
Yay! All these village girls.
My dear, the thing shocked me. I really wonder. I don't know what they give her more. I don't understand.
Don't blame her. What do you expect?
What do you expect? Her village boyfriend, my sister. If you were to be you, won't you protect your village boyfriend? The love of your life, of course. But wait though. Are you sure that that guy is one of those guys that killed that little girl?
I'm 79% sure.
Be very sure. Be very sure. Don't put me in trouble, Biko. You understand what I'm saying?
I don't understand. Which one is I should not put you in trouble? Are we not friends?
I know.
Is there someone else here with us? You're just talking as friends and there's no policeman here.
You have to be 100% sure. Because if that guy is one of those guys, I will personally go and report them to the police. What are you telling me?
You are picking the kill. Why your blood is hot?
But she's an innocent girl.
Hold on. Like I said earlier, I am 79% sure. 100.
You have to be 100.
You want force me day 100?
Yes.
Wait, not the 100% matter. Yes. I think I support one cake. But you should be very sure.
Yes. I said I am 79. 100 minus 79.
Yeah, 100.
Why are you 100? Why are you 100?
Yeah, 100. You have to be sure.
I beg you. They respect yourself. Package yourself. You're crying.
Stop, not crying.
Uche, what is it?
I'm not crying.
What is it, Uche? This is not the way you used to welcome me. Where is Uzioma? Uche, where is my child? Where is Uzioma? Where is Mama?
She's at the backyard.
Alright, let's go inside.
Okay.
Why are you just like that?
Babe. This one is eating chocolate. Did you dream of it?
People have not heard.
What?
What?
Ha. We have a new arrival in town now. From India. Hey. The man came back and started sharing things. No, I was sleeping. From my window, I heard noises. He came like a spirit. Straight to the man's house. I went to collect my own share.
Did you say from India?
No, from India. This man, that the son lives in India. The son invited him over to India to come and do eye surgery.
Okay.
The man now came back with plenty. Nah, Obodo Yiba Amaka. Obodo Yiba Amaka. If you see the things this man came back with, chai! What?
Wait. What are you talking about?
You everybody you know.
Come on, I know everybody in this community now. I'm not like Okbanka. I grew up here. Okbanka is the one that came from Lagos. Apart from the time I went to